Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable camera in your Messenger from your PC. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Messenger application or go to Messenger website from your browser. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. From there you can see this type of button on the side of your link. Click to it. From there you can enable your camera. This is how you can enable your camera in Messenger from your PC. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.